Hi, I'm Ben Gromiko from InterNACHI. Join us the week of September 10th in Boulder, Colorado for our 5-day Certified Home Inspector training class. Here's what students had to say last month after a week of hands-on training in the House of Horrors.
My name is Marcus Smith, and I've just finished attending the 5-day class here at the InterNACHI House of Horrors in Colorado, and it's been an amazing experience. Everyone is amazingly helpful and informative, and it's been a good education for me.
I think that the knowledge that I got here today is invaluable. The staff is extraordinary, the instructors are savvy, intellectual, and they're saturated with experience and years of experience that they've been able to convey to us in just a matter of 5 days.
It was very good having the House of Horrors 50 feet away where you could go through the lesson with the instructor and then come over here and immediately see the systems or the defects that you just learned about rather than, going home or doing it online.
It's the real deal. The main reason why I came here was because of the House of Horrors, so I could get that hands-on knowledge, not just looking through PowerPoint slides, trying to decipher things. Having that instructor there to give instant feedback was amazing.
The basic thing that stood out to me was the electrical part of it. I didn't know anything about electrical, and I have a feel of how it works.
I would definitely recommend the InterNACHI training to new inspectors or even inspectors that have taken online-only courses.
With this knowledge that you get here today, I'm telling you, I'm just so satisfied. I'm really pleased.
Visit nachi.org/school to sign up. See you there.